Hello everyone. Today we are discussing on liver. Have you ever pondered the intriguing connection between your feet and the health of your liver? It may seem surprising at first glance, but your feet can actually serve as a window into the state of your liver's well-being. This fascinating link offers a unique perspective on our overall health, and today we'll embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries behind it. Let's explore why understanding this connection holds such importance for maintaining optimal well-being. Picture your liver as the unsung hero of your body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep everything in balance. With its vital roles in detoxification, digestion, and various metabolic processes, it truly is the cornerstone of overall health. However, when your liver begins to raise red flags, it's not just a minor hiccup. These warning signs could signal significant underlying issues that can affect your entire body in profound ways. That's why it's crucial to pay attention and take action early. So, what exactly should you be observing on your feet to gauge your liver's health? From subtle signs like swelling to more conspicuous changes in skin coloration, your feet can provide valuable insights into the function of this essential organ. Understanding these signs is crucial, as they could be early indicators of potentially serious conditions such as cirrhosis, hepatitis, or even liver failure. By staying vigilant and attuned to your body's signals, you can catch problems early and take steps to prevent further complications. Let's delve deeper into the first sign to watch for: swelling in the right foot, medically termed edema. This accumulation of fluid in the tissues often stems from the liver's diminished ability to regulate blood flow effectively. As you press your finger against the swollen area, leaving a visible mark, it becomes evident that your liver may be struggling to keep up with its essential functions. Don't ignore this telltale sign, as it could be a red flag for underlying liver dysfunction. Furthermore, spider veins, alterations in toenails, flat purple lesions, and cracked heels can all offer valuable clues about your liver's health. Each of these signs may indicate nutrient deficiencies, toxin accumulation, or underlying liver dysfunction, urging you to pay closer attention to your body's signals. Even minor changes can be significant, so it's important to stay vigilant and seek professional guidance if you notice any concerning symptoms. Additionally, keep an eye out for skin discoloration, persistent itching under the soles, purplish spots, ecchymosis, burning sensations in the feet, toenail fungus, and foul odors. These seemingly minor discomforts could be manifestations of your liver's distress, prompting timely intervention to prevent further complications. By addressing these issues early on, you can support your liver's recovery and maintain overall well-being. Jaundice, characterized by yellowish skin or eyes, serves as a poignant reminder of your liver's struggle to filter out harmful substances. It's a clear signal that your liver needs support and attention to prevent more severe health consequences down the line. If you notice these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Early detection and intervention are paramount to addressing liver issues and promoting optimal health. Remember, your liver's well-being is intertwined with your overall vitality, so it's worth making it a priority. Now let's delve deeper into the factors that contribute to liver problems and explore 5 actionable steps to support liver health. By making informed lifestyle choices and prioritizing self-care, you can empower your body's natural healing processes and embark on a journey towards renewed vitality. Whether it's reducing alcohol consumption, adopting a nutrient-rich diet, or incorporating stress-reducing practices into your daily routine, each step plays a vital role in supporting your liver's recovery journey. Together, let's commit to nurturing our livers and embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes holistic well-being. As we conclude our exploration of liver health, I encourage you to delve deeper into this topic and empower yourself with knowledge. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our Health Fit channel for more insightful content on maintaining optimal health and well-being. Your support means the world to us, and we wish you continued health, happiness, and vitality on your journey ahead.